In the sequence of our topics from the novel The Lord of the Flies, we are discussing themes in the novel. In this novel, there are many themes that can be explored. The themes are human nature, civilization, savagery and the beast, spirituality and religion, the weak and the strong. So there are some themes. There are some these themes that can be explored in this novel. First of all, we see the theme of human nature. And the author once said that in writing Lord of the Flies, he aimed to trace society's flaws back to their source in human nature. Now we are living in civilized societies, but what are the source of this civilization? Author tries to reveal these things. By leaving a group of English school boys to fend for themselves on a remote jungle island, Golding creates a kind of human nature laboratory in order to examine what happens when the constraints of civilization vanish. Human nature takes over in Lord of the Flies. Golding argues that human nature, free from the constraints of society, draws people away from reason towards savagery. When people are free, they are inclined towards savagery, not towards civilization, not towards region. The makeshift civilization the boys form in the Lord of the Flies collapses under the weight of their innate savagery. Rather than follow rules and work hard, they pursue fun, succumb to fear, and fall to violence. So, what are natural instincts for a human being or in human beings? Natural instincts or is innate savagery. It means naturally human being is savage, and by suppressing his savagery, a human being becomes a civilized. Golding's underlying argument is that human beings are savaged by nature and are moved by primal urges towards selfishness, brutality, and dominance over others. Though the boys think the beast lives in the jungle, Golding makes it clear that it lurks only in their hearts. In heart of the human being, beast lives, and human being suppresses his beast in order to become civilized. Although Golding argues that people are fundamentally savage, drawn toward pleasure and violence, human beings have successfully managed to create thriving civilizations for thousands of years, so that disproves Golding's theory about human nature being savage, right or wrong. The famous psychologist Sigmund Freud argued that without the innate human capacity to repress desire, civilization would not exist. When a human being wants to become a civilized person, he has to suppress his innate instincts or innate savagery. In Lord of the Flies, Golding makes a similar arguments as Sigmund Freud made in his psychological analysis. He depicts Golding depicts civilization as a well that through its rules and laws masks the evil within every individual. So every human being carries something uncivilized or savage in him. So even while civilization thrive, they are merely hiding the beast. Civilization only wells the beast in human being. they have not destroyed it. Civilization cannot destroy this beast in human being. It only can hide this beast. The Lord of the Flies is a chronicle of civilization giving way to the savagery within human nature. As boys shaped by the supremely civilized British society become savages, guided only by fear, superstition, and desire, and even before the boys become fully savage under Jack. The beast is symbol golding uses to represent the savage impulses lying deep within every human being. Civilization exists to suppress the beast. Yes, no, yes. Uh, all of us know this fact very well, that civilization exists to suppress the beast by keeping the human desire for power and violence to a minimum. Civilization forces people to act responsibly and rationally, as boys like Piggy and Ralph do in Lord in the Flies. Savagery arises when civilization stops suppressing the beast. It's the beast unleashed. Savages not only acknowledge the beast, they thrive on it and worship it like a god. As Jake and his tribe become savages, they begin to believe the beast exists physically. They even leave it offerings to win its favor to ensure their protection. Civilization forces people to hide from their darkest impulses to suppress them. Savages surrender to their darkest impulses, which they attribute to the demands of gods who require their obedience. Now we will see that how spirituality and religion becomes a dominant part in human life. Most of the boys on the island either hide behind civilization, denying the beast existence, or succumb to the beast's power by embracing savagery. But in Lord of the Flies, Golding presents an alternative to civilized suppression and beastly savagery. This is a life of religion and spiritual truth seeking in which men look into their own hearts, accept that there is a beast within, and face it squarely. Simon occupies this role in this novel, and in doing so, he symbolizes all the great spiritual and religious men. From Jesus to Buddha to nameless mystics and shamans who have sought to help other men accept and face the terrible fact that the beast they fear is themselves of all the boys. Only Simon fights through his own fear to discover that beast at the mountain top is just a dead man. But when Simon returns with the news that there is no real beast, only the beast within, the other boys kill him. Not just the savages, not just the civilized boy, all the boys kill Simon. Because all of the boys lack the grace Simon displayed in facing the beast. Within the larger battle of civilization and savagery, ravaging the boys' community on the island, novel also depicts in great detail the relationships and power dynamics between the boys. In particular, the novel shows how boys fight to belong and be respected by the other boys. The main way in which the boys seek this belonging and respect is to appear strong and powerful. And in order to appear strong and powerful, boys give in to the savage instinct to ignore, pick on, mock, or even physically abuse boys who are weaker than them. Over and over, the novel shows instances where a boy who feels vulnerable will save himself by picking on a weaker boy. So, this is the theme of strong and weak.